Welcome back, champions. Today I want to show you guys how to clean up the charge port on this Samsung phone. It's USB-C, it's the same on most newer Android devices and on the new Xbox controller too. So stick with me and I'll show you guys how to get it charging properly. Now the aim of the game here is to clean up what's down in the hole without damaging this little chip thing in the middle. And I also want to show you later in the video how to clean up that discoloration. First step's going to be to turn off the device. We don't want this powered on because that could create a short when I use these metal tweezers that I'm about to show you. Now, if you don't feel comfortable using metal tweezers or a metal pin or something like that, you can just use a wooden toothpick, okay? Now, you just keep working down into the sides of the device. It's more the top, left, bottom, and right. You don't want to touch that wafer in the middle because that's what's actually touching to charge, the charge cable, we're making the connection, however you explain that blooming thing. And that's what's going to get damaged if you're too rough. So if that gets damaged, game over. You're up for a phone repair. Avoid it at all costs. But anyway, aside from that, I will note that there's other potential for green and white flecks to come out. If you've got that, that's corrosion, and you really want to pay attention to later in the video. Show you how to remove that if it's not too bad. Otherwise, we've got the money shot here. So we'll wait a sec for this money shot. Chuck us a thumbs up too if you don't mind, please, guys. Always helps the videos out. But aside from that, we're just going to speed on through the last of this because it's never too exciting watching just get the little itties and bitties out, is it? Anyway, that's just the last of it there. Now, we've got the rocket ship tool, or you can use compressed air. I'll put links to those below. And just blow it out. Don't use your breath because that's adding moisture into it, which could create problems. Anyway, without waffling on, we've got the charge port all cleaned up here, looking all fresh and nice. Now we're on to the second step, which will help with corrosion or just any further charging problems. So we want the toothbrush and you want isopropyl alcohol. Now this one's 99.9% alcohol. I haven't been drinking. Alcohol content, and you just spray it down into the hole. You can use methylated spirits or anything 70% or above as well. Make sure it's turned off when you do this too. Really, make sure your device is turned off. Don't add moisture to something that's turned on. And make sure it dries out properly at the end, good 5 or 10 minutes, before turning it back on. Usually only 30 seconds or a minute, but those that are paranoid, anyway, you can see through scrubbing with the toothbrush here long enough, it's all nice and clean. Just make sure you actually poke the toothbrush down in there and scrub. And then, of course, we're going to give it the grand testaroo. Just make sure she all works. And yep, beautiful. And we've even got fast charging as well. So pretty happy with that. All right, if you guys have been entertained, enjoyed, or helped by this video, would be awesome for a like or a sub. Otherwise, make sure to check out the other videos I've got on the screen. Might interest you. Thanks for watching, guys.